Guys, what's wrong? Why you guys so upset?
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
I have an idea. We can use Tinkercad to come up with a sensor that can check the soil moisture and the components in it and make sure that they're good and can grow crops for us to consume.
That way nobody will be hungry and will be able to grow nutritious food.
What you say about an egg sandwich?
I said that
What?
way. I said that way. Nope.
What?
I said that way. Nobody will be hungry because we'll be able to grow nutritious food from our soil. That sounds like a good idea, right?
Yup.
Yep.
Mm.
We use the sensor to check the soil's health. It signals for nutrients, no gas, no stealth. This data ensures our food grows strong and deep, so we can feed the hungry with the promises we keep.
Adam, I see that you have this this amazing idea for our Mission to Mars project. Can you explain it?
So for this sensor right here,
Our soil moisture sensor. To elaborate.
so this one here that we've tried first, it had like too much current in here, so like it went kaboom. That doesn't work on Mars. We can't bring that with us. Then our next one that we tried, right here, it was like super nice and stuff, but when you like increase the amount of water on it, it's not very like accurate and it like varies way too much on it.
So the LCD sign doesn't equate to the values that we see here on our soil moisture sensor. And as we can see for our last sensor, based on the values of the water sensor, let's say there's not a whole lot of water in our ground, it will turn on the power supply and then turn on a DC motor, which will control the water supply and then effectively watering our crops. We also have a green LED light to basically tell our workers, like, hey, we got the water going, you don't need to worry about it, just keep an eye on the crops, make sure it doesn't overflow. So then, as you can see here, as we keep watering the crops, the power supply goes down to 0 amps, turns off the DC motor, and then turns on a red LED light to indicate to the workers that our soil is moistured enough.
Okay, so this is the code for our Arduino. And basically the first stanza, it controls the LEDs primarily. And it turns on and off the LEDs when the soil is dry or when the soil is good. Then we'll go down to the second stanza. And basically it prints the value to the serial monitor for observations. And then the last stanza is pretty much the brains of the operation. It's an if, then, else statement similar to Python. And it basically turns off and on the pump for the soil to make sure it's moisturized enough. And if it's dry, then it will turn on the pump. And that's our code.
Look what the food our sensor produced. Now let's go feed the homeless real quick. Oh no, wait. Here's our homeless man. Feed him real quick.
Delicious.
I hear that there's been numerous problems with our homeless community, so let's go check them out real quick. Okay, guys, what's up? Do you have any problems? I hear that we have a bunch of problems. No, I feel like you have some problems.
Yeah, so with our last video, our president didn't really like it too much. He added comments of what not to do. So this time our solution is to implement those comments into our new video this time to ensure we get 100%.
Okay. Cannon, come this way, this way. Cannon, I see that you have some problems. Well, what problems do we have?
So we had a bunch of distractions, a lot of hooligans messing around, and the way we got around this is, we learned to tune out the distractions and continue and carry out.
So Sophia, I hear that you have a problem too, so let's address it real quick.
So basically, we got kicked out of our old environment and then had to adapt to our new one. Yeah, we learned how to make use of our resources and adjust to change.